Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, English Waves. I'm Anna. Can you smell that? That's the smell of fresh bread baking. Just kidding, we're in a podcast studio. But seriously, let me tell you about last week. I tried to follow an English recipe online. It said, sauté the onions. Sauté? What does that mean? Then it said, fold in the eggs. Fold? Like paper? I was so lost. I wanted to cook, but I didn't know the cooking vocabulary in English. And that's when I realized cooking vocabulary is so important. Whether you're following a recipe, ordering food, talking about what you ate, or shopping for ingredients. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of cooking and food vocabulary, from the kitchen to the restaurant, from ingredients to cooking methods. And to help me today, my co-host, Ben, is here. Ben, do you like to cook?
I love cooking. Last night, I made spaghetti carbonara.
Ooh, fancy. See everyone, Ben knows cooking vocabulary.
Today, we'll teach you everything you need to talk about food and cooking in English.
By the end, you'll sound like a chef.
Delicioso! Let's get cooking.
Here we go. Let's start with the most important cooking verbs, the actions we do in the kitchen.
These are the words you'll see in every recipe.
Boil, fry, bake, roast, grill, steam, stir, mix, chop, cut, slice, dice.
That's a lot. Let's break them down.
Boil means cook in hot water. Water is bubbling.
Boil the pasta. Boil the eggs for 10 minutes.
Fry means cook in hot oil in a pan.
Fry the chicken. I'm frying some vegetables.
Bake means cook in the oven, usually for bread, cakes, cookies.
Bake a cake. I'm baking cookies for dessert.
Roast also uses the oven, but usually for meat or vegetables at high heat.
Roast the chicken. Roasted vegetables are delicious.
Grill means cook over direct heat, usually charcoal or gas.
Grill the steak. Let's grill some burgers.
Making steam gesture. Steam means cook with hot steam. Very healthy.
Nodding. Steam the broccoli. Steamed fish is light and healthy.
Making stirring motion. Stir means mix in circular motion with a spoon.
Demonstrating. Stir the soup. Keep stirring so it doesn't burn.
Mixing gesture. Mix means combine ingredients together.
Adding. Mix the flour and sugar. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl.
Making chopping motion. Now cutting words. Chop means cut into pieces.
Continuing. Slice means cut into thin pieces. Dice means cut into small cubes.
Demonstrating each. Chop the onions. Slice the bread. Dice the tomatoes.
Now, let's learn the names of kitchen tools. What do we use for cooking?
Yes, you need to know these words to follow recipes or ask for help.
Pan, pot, frying pan, saucepan, baking sheet, mixing bowl.
A pan is flat for frying. A pot is deep for boiling or making soup.
And saucepan is a small pot with a handle. Baking sheet is flat for the oven.
Knife, cutting board, spatula, wooden spoon, whisk, ladle.
Knife for cutting, cutting board to protect the counter.
Making flipping motion, spatula for flipping pancakes or burgers.
Stirring gesture. Wooden spoon for stirring. Whisk for beating eggs.
Ladling motion. Ladle is a big spoon for serving soup.
excited face. More tools, peeler, grater, strainer, colander.
Explaining. Peeler removes the skin from vegetables. Grater makes things into tiny pieces.
Adding. Strainer or colander is for draining water from pasta.
Listing. Measuring cups, measuring spoons, timer, oven mitts.
Demonstrating. Measuring cups for exact amounts. Timer so you don't forget.
Making grabbing gesture. Oven mitts protect your hands from hot things.
What about appliances? Big equipment.
Oven, stove, refrigerator, freezer, microwave, blender, toaster.
Dishwasher, coffee maker, food processor, mixer.
Blend the smoothie in the blender. Toast the bread in the toaster.
Heat it up in the microwave. Store it in the refrigerator.
Now let's talk about ingredients, the food we use for cooking.
Let's organize by categories. First, vegetables.
Onion, garlic, tomato, potato, carrot, broccoli, lettuce, spinach, bell pepper, cucumber.
Mushrooms, corn, peas, green beans, cabbage.
In American English, we say bell pepper. In British English, they say pepper.
Good point. Now, fruits.
Apple, banana, orange, strawberry, grape, watermelon, pineapple, mango, peach, pear.
Blueberries, raspberries, cherries, lemon, lime.
Now, proteins, meat and alternatives.
Chicken, beef, pork, lamb, fish, shrimp, salmon, tuna.
Eggs, tofu, beans, lentils, chickpeas.
Poultry means chicken, turkey, duck.
Seafood means fish and shellfish.
Dairy products.
Milk, cheese, butter, yogurt, cream, sour cream.
Mozzarella, cheddar, Parmesan, types of cheese.
Grains and carbohydrates.
Rice, pasta, bread, noodles, oats, quinoa.
Adding flour, cornmeal, cereal.
Seasonings and spices.
Salt, pepper, sugar, garlic powder, onion powder.
Paprika, cumin, oregano, basil, thyme, cinnamon.
Herbs are green plants like basil, thyme. Spices are things like cinnamon, cumin.
And condiments.
Ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise, soy sauce, hot sauce, olive oil, vinegar.
Now let's learn how to describe food. How does it taste?
Yes, these adjectives are so useful.
Delicious, tasty, yummy, flavorful, mouth-watering.
All of these mean the food tastes very good.
This soup is delicious. The cake is so yummy.
Now, basic taste words: sweet, salty, sour, bitter, spicy.
Sweet, like sugar or honey. Salty, like potato chips.
Sour, like lemon. Bitter, like dark coffee. Spicy, like hot peppers.
This curry is too spicy. I love spicy food.
Savory, tangy, rich, bland, fresh.
Savory means not sweet, like meat or cheese.
Tangy means pleasantly sour. Rich means full of flavor, often with cream or butter.
Bland means no flavor, boring.
This soup is too bland. It needs salt.
What about texture? How food feels?
Crispy, crunchy, creamy, smooth, chewy, tender, juicy.
Crispy bacon. Crunchy chips. Creamy soup.
Smooth peanut butter, chewy cookies, tender steak.
Juicy means full of liquid. This watermelon is so juicy.
Negative descriptions: burnt, overcooked, undercooked, raw, stale.
Burnt means cooked too long, black. Overcooked means cooked too much.
Undercooked means not cooked enough. Raw means not cooked at all.
Stale means old and not fresh. This bread is stale.
Now let's learn how to read and understand recipes in English.
Recipes use special vocabulary. Let's break it down.
First, measurements. Cup, tablespoon, teaspoon, ounce, pound, gram, liter.
Add 2 cups of flour. Use 1 tablespoon of sugar.
We abbreviate these. Cup equals C, tablespoon equals TBSP, teaspoon equals TSP.
Ounce equals OZ. Pound equals LB.
Now, recipe instructions. These are verbs you'll see.
Preheat, combine, fold, whisk, knead, marinate, simmer.
Preheat means heat the oven before cooking. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Combine means mix together. Combine all dry ingredients.
Fold means gently mix without stirring hard.
Whisk means beat quickly with a whisk. Whisk the eggs.
Knead means press and fold dough with your hands.
Marinate means soak meat in sauce before cooking.
Simmer means cook at low heat, gentle bubbles.
More recipe words: drizzle, sprinkle, garnish, season.
Drizzle means pour in a thin stream. Drizzle olive oil.
Sprinkle means scatter small amounts. Sprinkle cheese on top.
Garnish means decorate the dish. Garnish with fresh herbs.
Season means add salt, pepper, or spices. Season to taste.
Temperature words:
Low heat, medium heat, high heat, room temperature.
bring to a boil means heat until boiling. Reduce heat means lower the temperature.
Let it cool means wait for it to become less hot.
Common recipe phrases. Add gradually means add a little bit at a time.
Mix until combined means mix until everything is together.
Bake until golden brown means bake until it's a nice brown color.
Serve immediately means eat right away while it's hot. Wow, I'm getting hungry after all this food talk.
Me too. We covered so much delicious vocabulary.
We learned cooking verbs, kitchen tools, ingredients, taste descriptions, and recipe instructions.
From boiling and frying to crispy and creamy.
Your homework this week: find one simple recipe in English.
Read it and highlight all the cooking vocabulary you learned today.
Then try to cook it. Use the English words while you cook.
Say out loud, I'm chopping the onions. I'm stirring the soup.
Practice the vocabulary in real life. That's the best way to learn.
And taste your delicious results.
Even if it's not perfect, you practiced English.
Cooking and learning together.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
If this episode was helpful, please share it with friends who love food.
and subscribe. Next week, we'll talk about shopping vocabulary.
From grocery stores to clothing shops.
Until then, get in the kitchen.
Also standing, making cooking gesture. Cook something delicious.
And practice your English while you do it.
You can do this.
Both making chef's hat gesture with happy, encouraging smiles. Happy cooking!
Waving with stirring motion. Bon appetit. See you next week.
Cheerful goodbye, tasting gesture. Enjoy your food. Goodbye.